The Oppo K3 uses an internally stored rising camera design to provide for a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED full-screen display that gives you a completely immersive experience. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone is available in Aurora Blue and Jade Black color. Oppo K3 is available in two variants for you to choose from: 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Oppo K3 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with 91.1% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space for an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with fingerprint sensor and face recognition that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 16-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera. It also has a 16-megapixel rising front camera that helps you take natural-looking selfies. The phone runs on Android operating system. The 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor in the phone allows you to easily multitask. It also comes with Game Boost 2.0 that improves your game playing experience. It has a 3765 mAh lithium polymer battery with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. The Oppo K3 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers,